Okay. Laptop died. That's crazy. Anyway, um, let's try this. Hey, what's going on? Let me refresh. I think we should be good now. Cool. Let's copy just in case. Um, make a new tab and then we will pull up Discord. That's funny. All right. Anyway, uh, attempt to. All right, there you go. Let's make sure that's right. If I click on that, it should open what we're doing right now. Well, yep. All right, perfect. Cool, 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 cool. Uh, we back. Yes, sir. Whoops, I can't type. All right, cool. So, yeah, what are we doing? Yeah, let's try this again. So today, I wanted to poke around at some malware analysis. As you guys probably know, I finished this course, which is awesome. You guys should definitely consider taking it. It's a pretty cool course. In order to get this cool role, so there's the Discord server for the course, which is right here. And if you want to get this cool little, graduate thing, you have to do a malware analysis report on one of the, uh, malwares from the course. So that's what we're doing today. I already know which sample I want to do. It's the silly putty sample. Yeah. So I have analyzed it before. However, it was only basic static and basic dynamic. There was no advanced stuff. This is like really early on in the course. So I want to do it again. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. Do it again. Do it professionally. We have a template. There you go. So yeah, this if you guys saw the last bit, you would see when we made or when we put this together. So yeah, this is where we're going to be putting our report in. It should be cool. I think it's going to be a pretty well enjoyable, well worth experience. Um, that's pretty much it. Yeah. So let's get started. um, so I have my two virtual machines right here. I have a Player VM and a Linux box. Oh, shit, 9 with that. Cool. And take your time. I'm not in a rush or anything like that. Something I did do is I made a malware analysis report template. So I can quickly take notes as I'm working through you know, uh, the sample and updating, which is pretty cool. So I can actually just make our new file. We'll call this silly putty malware analysis report. Okay. So if I do Control P and then templater and then malware, boom! Look at that. So yeah, it makes the template for us, which is cool. I think it should help us out a lot. Real quick check. No? All right, cool. So yeah, let's go ahead and actually get started. Let's go to PMAT Labs. I don't know where Silly Putty is. There it is, Silly Putty. Um, cool. So yeah, I could probably pull up um the GitHub as well. So who's pinning me on Discord? You're not showing your screen on your live. Oh, am I not? Oh, okay. Whoops. Uh, is that better? Do you guys see what I'm doing? Is that good? All right, cool. My fault, yo. Um, there you go. All right, that should be good. So yeah, you should be able to see what I'm doing. Y'all gotta let me know because I'm bad at this stuff. I've been doing this a little bit. But yeah, so basically I finished this course, the PMAT, got my certification, and if I want to get this cool, where's the, I want to get this cool role on the server, I have to do this malware analysis report. That's basically it. PMAT labs. Cool. And everything looks good. All right. What was I doing? There you go. So if I go to labs, silly putty. Yeah, so there's a bunch of questions and stuff. I'm not going to be doing this. I'm just going to be actually analyzing the sample itself. I do just want to take this little overview thing from it, just so we can put that in our notes. This little message from the incident response team. There you go. Cool. Yeah, so let's get started. Let me go to my virtual machine. We'll pull out the malware sample. Use 7-zip. Don't I have the 7-zip app? 7zip.exe. All right. I guess not. 7-zip extract here. Connected. Okay. And we'll load it onto our desktop. That's all we should really need. I'm going to go ahead and make a snapshot. So I usually call it before dat. So before detonation. And we'll make that snapshot. Check the chat. Dang. Cool. All right, yeah, we won't need this section for quite some time because we actually have to analyze the sample first. And yeah, let's do that. So first thing I'm going to do some string stuff. I'm going to do that on my host machine because it's just strings, right? CD into the PMAT or analyze PMAT labs. See if we can find silly putty. There you go. And okay, I already have it unzipped right here, which is awesome. So let's just use floss, which is just it's like strings, but it's a little bit more. Oh, I already analyzed this before. I forgot. So yeah, I can just bim the. Actually, I'll show you guys how to do it. So arm-tech rf log. All right. So basically, what you can do is use the floss tool. You can download it for Linux and stuff as well. We're just going to use it on the putty.exe. And then it will basically start pulling out the strings, so we can pull that out to floss.log. And oh, I don't have floss in here. Tool not found. Hey, come on now. Tools. Do I not have floss? Oh my gosh, I don't have floss on my computer. All right, let's get floss. I thought I had it. My fault, y'all. Actually, I'm pretty sure in my report tools used floss. There you go. Releases. Where's the Linux zip? Save. Cool. So move home / down. Whoops, downloads. Floss. And then move that here. Vector floss. Move floss into floss. How many times have I said floss? All right, and CD to floss. So if we list that's there, we can unzip the floss directory and then chmod +x floss. Okay, and now we should be able to run this command again. Permission denied. Oh, is floss here conch /floss. How do I do it? Oh, so it's just in it. It's by itself. That's how I did it. Okay. Let's move floss out of here. CD. Okay, out of here. Move floss to D. Move D /floss to current directory. Tech RF. D. Okay, so we should have floss here. Chmod u plus x plus. Okay, there. Let's try this now. All right, third time's the charm. Hey, there you go. All right, cool, cool, cool. So let's pull out those strings and see if we can find anything interesting, anything worthwhile, worth noting. Chat check. Okay. Cool. So here, let me see if I can check something on my phone real quick while this loads. But the cool thing about Floss too is I know it does like pull out strings normally, but it also pulls out like I don't know, it tries to decode some of them, I think, and it gets some like more I don't know, more complicated stuff as well. Which is pretty cool. It does like to take its sweet time. Okay, decoding function features. Okay, yeah, we'll let it do its thing. In the meantime, what we can do is pull out PE Studio. Hello? Smart screen can't be, what? Just run. Okay. Anyway. Cool. So we'll let this also kind of load all the other things that are going on with this binary. Let's see. Still going. Nice. Communication administrator. What is that? Assertion failed. That's fine. I don't really care. I'm not too fast. By the way, malware analysis is by no means a fast process, like at all, like in any way, shape, or form. Yes, I don't care. I'll make a new tab here because we're going to need Wireshark in a little bit. Sudo Wireshark. One thing I like about my Linux Mint setup is my Wireshark has a dark mode, which is awesome. But on this virtual machine, it is not dark mode, which is sad. Thanks, man, for access to your website. You're welcome. Happy to help, mate. Anyway, list vimfloss.log. Okay. So let's go through these strings. This is by no means going to be anything fun. There's some other stuff we should probably start doing too. Yeah, let's do this. Escape. Let's get some of that like basic stuff that we need in our kit. So first of all, we can get the URL of where the sample is from, which is right here. Yeah. So 5, we'll do PMAT lab, and then put the link into there, and then we can put the no, I lost my credentials to your website that I pay monthly for. Oh, do you? Just email us and then we can cancel your account for you if you want. So we have the PMAT lab, and then we need to get what's the other thing that we need to? I swear there was something else I wanted to do. I promise. Yeah, I'm gonna quit Discord. I don't need Discord right now. Oh yeah, the virus total link. So we'll do SHA-256 putty.exe. Okay, so here's the sum, and then if we go to virus total, okay, and then search. We'll search the hash. I think you registered. I think I registered March 3rd. Okay. Email, question mark. Want to stay a member, want that email. Oh, gotcha. Well, you'll have to email us to prove that it's your account. So because we can't just give you some random person's email. Enad, what is up? What is up? All right, so 60 out of 70 have. I'm going to turn off flashbang, guys. Flashbang. Off just for a second, just so you can read everything. We need this link. So I'll do virus total, and then that right there. Cool. So let's start taking some of the notes. So it's air. Actually, undo. There you go. All right. So this is putty.exe. I'm pretty sure on our virtual machine. Yeah, putty.exe. All right. Let's start getting some of the more important information. So we're going to take this hash. Right, what is y'all's email? Just submit it through the contact form on our website. It'll just be easier. I'm good, thanks. How are you doing? What are we doing today? Yes, we're doing some malware analysis. We have this sample in here that we're going to play with. I have analyzed the sample a while back, but we're kind of doing it again, and I want to make an official malware report on it so I can get a cool role in a Discord server. That's all I really want, just the role. But no, I do plan on doing more of these going into the future. Okay. So let's start looking through PE Studio and start seeing if we can get any good information for our sample. Category, we don't know yet. Language, we don't know yet. Architecture, we can find out. 32-bit, okay. Where's the architecture? 32-bit. Category, language, file path, and just a desktop. Internet connection required. We don't know any of this stuff yet, so let's go ahead. We'll have to enter the dynamic analysis stuff to do that. All right, so is there anything interesting? So of course there's the indicators. Czech, Greek, UK. Okay, so we see something's ransomware. What the hell? All right, cool. So first thing, I'm gonna get the strings. I didn't even finish going through these strings actually. Then lost that log. Let's just go. So I'm going to search for some basic stuff first. NIM. I'm just looking for. Okay, so it's not a NIM program. Let me see. I should probably here escape. G. Just scroll through here. Maybe I can find some things like CMD. Dang, no. Dang, 99. Okay, hold on. So CMD space. Okay, if there's nothing there, then okay. Or cmd.exe. Okay. PowerShell. Ooh. All right, there you go. Have you fooled with that? No, any way to get into fool? Good. I can't speak English. Fooled with what? Malware analysis. Oh, you see this? This is cool. All right. So yeah, let's $. This looks. This isn't sketch or anything. Let's go to our general notes and let's put that in there. PowerShell. Oh dang. Yeah, I remember coming across this when I first analyzed it, but yeah, this is some stuff we'll have to play with. Empire, from what I remember, it's like I can't remember fully. I know there's like a remote connection involved. I don't want to look at my old report, so I'm keeping that in the background in case if I need it. But it's been like 8 months since I've last looked at this sample, and I've looked at a lot of samples since. So let's organize the flags. Just get any of the important strings worth noting. Here, let's move this back over there. Hey, Ron, wrong window, buddy. Wrong window, buddy. Run the file. Let me see. Files get encrypted. Oh no. Y'all are funny. Damn, there's a lot of malicious strings going on. Something you need to note though is like, even though it might come off as like malicious, you need to know that like half of this stuff isn't even like, this stuff can be pretty normal to a lot of applications. So here, let's just get a few screenshots of these, you know, nothing crazy. Just for the notes. So where do I have PE Studio strings? Yeah, right there. So I have a whole section right here. Let's rename. So we'll just do silly putty PE Studio strings. Okay. I don't know if I want to include all the strings because I don't think all of them are that important. From the ones they, at least from the ones they blacklist, most of it is just kind of like, yeah, you know, just random strings. Something I do want to see are the import address table, because this can give us a good idea of what some of the functions are using. But again, like the file is called putty.exe, and Putty is, you know, a remote connectivity tool, so it's not that sketchy for, you know, remote access like modules to be used in a remote access tool. But if this is like, you know, Trojanized and stuff, then you know, it could be a little bit more dangerous than we think. It's similar to payload I solved and hacked the box just a few moments ago. Oh yeah. What are we learning today? Malware analysis. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this import address table, make a little bit more room for the libraries back here. Yeah, cool. So we're going to screenshot this, and we'll get to running in all that in a little bit. I just want to start with the, you know, the boring part, just the normal static analysis import address table right here. Yeah. So v rename silly putty import. I'll just do IAT. Everyone knows what that is. IAT. Let's go down a little bit. Flash strings. Actually, I guess I can include this in the flash strings because we did get it from our flash strings. So in our flash strings, we did find this PowerShell payload. Y'all want to analyze that now or later? What's the move? I have an exploit I would like to discuss with you. I think there's something there involving email to SMS. Yeah, I'm totally done. Hit me up on Discord. Discord's in the description. Okay, so we'll have to play with this PowerShell later. We will get to that. But let's see if there's anything else in here that's worthwhile, because you get a lot of cool, interesting info in here. Let's see if there's any domains. HTTP, Microsoft, don't really care. Microsoft, don't really care. Okay, this is a little bit more interesting. So there's that. HTTPS, GitHub, LVM. Honestly, I think memory malware analysis should be completely different from the usual stuff. That's a fair assessment. I don't disagree. That's a fair assessment. Schemas, Microsoft, schemas. Okay, so I'm just trying to see if there's any, like, the problem is, like, because this is already an SSH tool, there's not going to be like that much crazy like information in here. You know what I'm going to do? Let's use code in this floss.log, because you get the little sidebar. And I'm just going to scroll through here to find all the important stuff. So SSH connection at putty.projects at tartarus.org. So yeah, I'll just note just the important, the little things. I'm not going to spend too much time on this though, because again, the strings aren't that they're helpful, but they're not like, you know, the all-knowing saving, you know, grace or whatever. You want to continue with the connection. File is not fully tamper-proof. All right, and then more bull crap. Proxy errors. the most sketchy thing that we found in here so far was the that PowerShell payload. That was pretty sketchy. uh, some other stuff. Also some DLL stuff. But yeah, I'm not saying anything too crazy. Obviously, we can always come back through here. Yeah, see all these DLLs. Show that DLL, show 32, kernel 32. This is already in the import address table, so I don't really care too much. Is this sample from TCM malware analysis course labs? Yes, it is. We believe remote version. So yeah, this, you know what I'm saying? Like there's not like there's some interesting stuff, but the problem is like this is, I'm 90% sure this is a Trojan. So all the malware in here is already going to look like it's part of the program. And it's genius to put it in. Have I used Scapy before? Oh yeah. I love Scapy. The problem is I don't know. I know a lot of good networking, but I want to get better at networking because you can do some crazy things with Scapy. And yeah, I'll make some videos on it though down the road. Putty projects. Okay, yeah. So I'm honestly convinced like the rest of this isn't that crazy. I do want to get to the section where the PowerShell payload was, because that was pretty crazy. So yeah, what's right here? It's just an XML schema thing. Yeah, I don't really care. And then nothing in here. Okay, so here's the PowerShell, and if we view, where's word wrap? Yeah, so yeah, here's the PowerShell, payload. We're going to look at that in a second. So I just want to see if there's anything within this area of the executable that screams anything crazy. All right, no, I think we're good, honestly. Yeah, all right, so I'm done doing this shit. Yeah, cool. So let's go ahead and close this. Is there anything else we need for the actual static analysis? We got our PD studio streams. Yeah, no, we're good. We can start the actual, I don't want to say actual malware analysis, but the dynamic analysis, the actual running of the malware. Cool. So let's set up Procmon. Maybe a new PE section. Ooh, maybe. That's an interesting thought, actually. Yeah. For sure, bro. Escape is amazing. Keep up the good work. Also, you're smashing it. Hey, appreciate it. Cyber Chef. Oh yeah, we're going to pull that up in a little bit. What do you mean? What is with smart screen? I don't give a crap about smart screen. Agree. Yes. Oh, light mode. Come on. I swear to God, I set up dark mode on this already. Dark. Is that font a little too small for you guys? I think that is. Here, let me see if I can make it a little bit bigger for you guys. Like 12. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay. Let's close this and let's open it up again. Yes. There you go. There you go. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. So we need to set up a thing for process name is putty.exe. I didn't even read the challenge for you guys. My fault. I'll quickly read it for you guys, just so that you guys have a good understanding of what we're looking at. Hello, analyst. The help desk has received a few calls from different IT admins regarding the attached program. They say they've been using this program with no problems until recently. Now it's crashing randomly and popping up a blue window when it's run. I'm pretty sure that has to do with the PowerShell that we saw. I don't like the sound of that. Do your thing. Instant response team. Cool. Yeah, cool. So yeah, I don't really have any general notes yet. We got this information. The PowerShell. We're going to check out the PowerShell later. Cool. Let's actually run this thing now. Finally. All right, cool. Yeah, I think as long as I apply it. All right, perfect. Are y'all ready? Let me double check. We have snapshot. All right, let's just run it. Okay, you saw that blue window. Okay, and then it opens up the normal Putty application. This looks like the normal Putty application. I'm pretty sure I could SSH it to something. So yeah, let's look through Procmon because Procmon's going to give us some good information. Let's look at the. I want to say that. Let's see. I'm waiting for the Discord window to open. Be looking. Musky Run House. The incident response team has no idea about PowerShell. Nice. I know for real. All right, let's look at some file operations, maybe some of the networking stuff. Actually, let's do networking. I don't know if I should look at that PowerShell script yet. We should probably look at that now. It could give us a good idea of what to actually look for. Operation contains TCP add apply. Nothing. Okay. Oh, let's look at the process tree too. How to win from other hackers. Do bug bounty. Any advice? One of the best things people I can recommend, if you go on our server, Atomic ZSec, he's like a bug bounty goat. I definitely suggest reaching out to him. Oh, see, there's the PowerShell. There's the PowerShell process, guys. There it is. You guys see that? Cool. So let me slow down for a second because I do need to get some screenshots for the actual report. So this is run it. There you go. So initial execution. Upon executing, with no inetsim, a blue window popped up. PowerShell. Obviously, we'll make these notes prettier when we actually do the report, but right now we just need to get some basic stuff. So yeah, it executed some PowerShell, and then it did opened normal Putty application. Okay. So yeah, there you go. And then we'll rename to silly Putty, and then normal exec. That's fine. Okay. So if we go back to the sample, right? I want to set up inetsim now, and then we're going to set the Wireshark capture as well. Cool. Yeah, I should have ran this actually when I was doing this. Yeah, I don't know if someone's talking to me. Give me 1 second.
You talk to your roommate, Tay.
What's up, man?
When are you taking your chem file tomorrow?
All right, going back. Let's go. We don't need VirusTool anymore. Actually, we should probably read some of this. I feel like I'm skipping out on like important stuff. You know what I mean? Let's actually look at some of this stuff. I feel like they're giving us information that we should be knowing. Packed. Okay, it's probably packed. Well, it has the. I don't know if it's actually has the. It says Steeler PE, some other stuff. I don't know. I feel like I don't know if it's actually like patch packed, but it's like it has the PowerShell in it. Tags. Okay. Information. Cool stuff. I see a bunch of IPs. We can check those out like Shodan or something. Uh, Yara rules. Oh, I can't wait to write those. All right, cool. Details. Yeah, so this is just some of the other stuff that we've kind of already seen already. Yeah, 32-bit. Oh, whoa. Go back. Atomic. I didn't get it. It's it's I'll type it in. Atomic. C-sec. Whoa. I'm bidding on W, Mick. bet that. I feel like TCM are getting over eLearn security. I don't really know too much about eLearn. I'm not gonna lie. All right, so this is what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna go back to before we detonated it and actually run my Wireshark and the INET simulation. So we'll just run this. Actually, you know what? Hold on. Stop it. Is this connected to the internet? Am I tripping? No, Squid Penis. Yeah, that's the name of my malware network, by the way. Cool. So it's just getting a weird amount of traffic, I guess. All right, that's fine. Actually, let's pause it for a second because I'm going to reboot that machine. Cool. And then the other thing we need to do is sudo inet sim. There you go. Cool. So we can have our internet simulation going on, and then our Wireshark. Cool. EC map is so boring. Is it really? Yeah, I haven't pursued those certs. Here, let me get a sip of water. All right, cool. The security alert. Yes, proceed. So let's do a quick test. Make sure iNetSim is working. We'll go on Google. We'll try tree.com. And there you go. All right, so if we do tree.com/malware.exe, perfect. All right, cool. So it's simulating the internet, which is awesome. We don't need this fake ass executable. And yeah, all right, so let's open up Procmon again. Oh my god. I don't care. I don't bro, you see this? You see this bull crap that we had to deal with? Dark. I should add this to the snapshot. Okay, we're going to start from here. We're going to add a new snapshot. Yes. Delete before that. Yes. We're going to update the class before that. Okay. New stuff looks sexy. Ooh, what's Malware.exe? My favorite. Yeah, of course. You're the world's most trustworthy executable. You know what I mean? A lot of reading the slides. Oh, that's not fun. Are there like labs and stuff, or is it just all? Okay, so we have our putty.exe. Let's open up Procmon again. Yes, and let's get to it. Oh, before I forget, let's run Wireshark. Continue without saving. Okay, and let's go. Double click. Okay, so now there acts an actual internet connection. So if we look we should be able to see more activity going on. So yeah, where's the putty.exe on here? There it is. And then of course the PowerShell.exe. Con host. Okay, I don't really know what that is. So yeah, we should actually look at the PowerShell.exe process in a little bit. What we can do actually is add this to the filters. Where's the process ID? So 5712. Okay. So what we'll do is in our filters, actually here we can did you know that stuff running procmon with admin will set off EDR because of the DL it uses? Yeah, you told me about that actually. That's that's pretty funny. Process name is the putty.exe. So we'll add that. But on top of that, I want to get the PID is, what's the PID? 5712. So 5712. We're going to add that. So I'm going to disable the process one first. This is what I'm going to apply. So, okay, so now we can look at the PowerShell process. We should probably actually decode that PowerShell right now. So let's take a look at it. So it looks like PowerShell operation attack W hidden execution policy bypass script block. It's going to create a new object stream reader, new object gzip from base 64. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to copy this this string. Oh, whoops, my fault. Here, B, find the equal sign. There you go. There. Let's go ahead onto Cyber Chef. It was used in Attack Forever Go. Windows is cool with it as long as it doesn't have elevated permissions. That's interesting. All right, which dark mode? This is we can't there you go. Dark. They have other themes. Geos. Oh, no way. That is horrendous. Oh my god. Solarized Dark. Oh, I kind of like that. Solarized Dark is nice. I like that. I'm using that. I don't know what the heck that other one was. Jesus Christ. All right. So, what did the sample say? From base 64 and then gunzip. So let's do that. So from base 64 and then gunzip. There you go. Oh, you guys see this? Oh, Power Fun? What the hell is Power Fun? Here, the font might look kind of weird for you guys. So let me try like a normal freaking theme. There you go. Can you guys see that okay? All right, first of all, save this. This is a PS1 file. Download.ps1. We'll hang out with this in a little bit. Dang. Okay, so let's look at Power Fun. Copy Power Fun. By Ben Turner. Hey, what's up, Game Boy? I know a blue teamer that would love to see all the logs you're making here. Cough, elastic cough. Very true. I'm going to set up the elastic lab soon. Cool. What was I looking at? Yeah, Power Fun. Ben P. Turner. There you go. There it is. Interesting. So it's part of this hook. Nice, nice. So we'll save this to our notes because that's the PowerShell payload. Cool. All right, let's keep going. So from what it looks like, let's actually read the code. Oh, we didn't even look at the network logs, guys. There's so much stuff going on, guys. There's too much stuff that's happening in malware analysis. Okay, yeah, it's making this DNS request. Okay, we're going to look at all of this in a little bit, guys. There's too much stuff going on for me to focus on right now. Now experience sock here. Isn't it easier to crash the process of the EDR or patch the binary or something? Matsi, that's a you question. That's not a me question. Stack analysis, running with inetsim. Cool. So we'll look at the network logs in just a little bit. I just want to kind of look at the PowerShell process here. Let's add a operation for TCP stuff. Contains TCP add apply. Oh, you guys see that? Oh, all right. It's connecting to the squid penis at 8443. Yes, that's the name of the malware network. Just to clarify, that's not like a weird domain. That's on me. This is that is the name of the isolated network. Let's look at the. I'll get some stuff from this real quick. So it does make a DNS request to this website right here. I'm pretty sure this is probably in the streams. No. Here, so let's get a screenshot of these two DNS requests right here, and we'll pull out this right there. Cool. So we'll copy this. So network analysis right here, right? Wireshark traffic, of course, when it is using inetsim. So because there's all this DNS stuff going on with the connection, I'm going to assume internet connection true. Debugger detection or VM detection. I have doubts of both of those. Good old squid penis, of course. Ened, yeah, Ened's in the Discord. So Wireshark traffic, advanced static analysis. So yeah, so with the traffic, I wonder how much of the stuff we can actually see. So of course, data.microsoft. This stuff always fucks with my malware analysis. I hate this. It's the Microsoft. And then I think the rest of this is just Microsoft bullcrap. Yeah, it looks like it. There might be some important stuff in here, but I'm going to just assume that it's mostly Microsoft. See some HTTP stuff. Is that no. 8443. So yeah, it looks like it's doing some TCP stuff. Here, so we'll look at the is there TCP view we have on here? TCP. Run. Yes. Agree. Oh yeah, that's right. You can look in here to see. I think I might need to run this with the what do you call it? I need to have this open when we actually execute the malware. But what is it doing with the 8443 port? It's probably for some remote connectivity stuff. All right, let's keep going. So we have the PowerShell payload. Let's actually go ahead and I don't know, move home slash downloads download.ps1 to our current directory. So if we've been the download.ps1. So this is the malware. We can read through it. Type name, web client, used proxy, blah blah blah. So this is the that's the domain it's reaching out to at a. Oh, so this is a shell. Wait. Do we have netcat on here? Actually, here let's do it from the other machine. I feel like that's cooler. Yeah, let's do it from our Linux machine on the network. So if we get the IP address of our box right here, it should be 10. So it's 152. All right. So netcat 10.0.0.152. Oh, so I forgot to use netcat. I need to do the remote port, or do I need to 8443? Oh, not 84. My phone. I don't want to look at my old report, but now I'm trying to remember the sample. How do you do this, guys? I forgot. Do I just connect to myself? Because I think the port's listening right now, no? The cat, local host. 8443. Oh, and cat. Hey, let me know what I'm doing wrong, guys, because I haven't done this in a little bit. All I do know, riffshows.com. I think it's it creates a socket for us, 8443. I just need to connect to it. I'm starting to remember this now. Here, let's add this domain. Is this domain in the strings? Where's our general notes? Because this could eventually be used as a domain. Colon 8443. I wonder if there's any file operations on it as well. We should probably check for that stuff as well. There's a way to do it. I know there's a way. I don't want to peek at my report though, because I haven't touched that report in a little bit. Oh, let me fill out this part too. 2023. Is it the 5th of May? Cinco de Mayo? I think, yeah, that's right. I don't want to peek. I feel like that's cheating, guys. TEDTech or NC LMVP port. I think that's the listening though, no? Because I think the port's already listening. How do you connect to the port? NCAT tech LNVP 8443. Yeah, see, it's listening. How do you connect? How do you connect with PMAT? All right, cat. Connect to port with netcat. I guess this one. Netcat host at port, cat listen, connect mode example. So text C. Tech bind or something. I have the command on my other one. I might just do that if this doesn't work. NCAT tech. Can you show the shell really fast? Maybe. No such host. Oh, guys, I know what I need to do. I remember. I understand this now. Vim slash drivers, I think. Bro, what's the path to the etc host on Windows? CD. Here, let's just open. Oh, whoops. Quit. My fault. This PC. I know exactly what I need to do, guys. I know exactly what I need to do. Why guy do not solve binary CTL? Hold on. It's in like Windows. I think drivers. Bro, where is that one path? I promise you this is how you do it. I promise you. Users. No. It's in like. Bro, where? Okay. Windows, etc. Hosts. Where's the path? Windows System 32 drivers, etc. Hosts. Okay, that's where it is. So Vim, Windows, System 32 drivers. Here, let me make that bigger. Drivers, etc. Hosts. This isn't gonna work because I don't have a admin thing. Whoops. Sorry, let's copy this and close. Let's open up. Commander is a admin. Commander, run as administrator. Yes. So Vim, actually, we can just paste it. Yep. There you go. And then we need to add the domain here. I'm like 90% sure. So 127.0.0.1. And then we're going to set that to the domain. So how do we get the domain? This is a semi-predicament. Oh, wow. It has the entire command right there. That's funny. Here, we already have Cyber Chef in here, so we'll just pull that up real quick. All right, paste. We'll delete everything up until here, and then delete everything here from base 64, gun zip, and boom. Okay, so the domain is right here. Let's copy this, and let's go to okay. So we should be able to save that. And now, if we netcat tech LMVP 8443, so basically now, now the malware will think our machine is the domain. That's basically what I just did. The uninitiated 8443. Okay, so now I should be able to. I haven't taken enough screenshots, by the way. That's like I'm gonna have to like go through and like screenshot a lot of this, document a lot of this. Where's my terminal? All right, so let's open it to the side here, and then let's run this. Oh, list. Oh, guys, we got something. You guys have gunzip. I use text to code. Okay, it looks like it's encoded, so did use like SSL. Tetek SSL. All right, cancel, run the malware. Oh, let's go. Let's fucking go, boys. All right, it's a reverse show. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Um, yeah, let's find a good way to take a screenshot of this. Oh, that's awesome. All right, cool. So we ran this. We saw that it was encoded. When I tried to run ls, so we had to add that SSL argument. Whoops. And now we can run who am I and get the output. There you go. Cosmo in Windows use resource monitor and look under network. I will. Give me 2 seconds. Copy that. Let's take that out. Yeah, so that was our Wireshark traffic. Malware reach out to domain. Opened port 8443. Set domain in etc. hosts, or is it? It's like Windows system 32 etc. hosts, and then we have the oh, that's not what I meant to do actually. And boom. So we'll rename this silly putty remote connection. Okay, so I do need to get a screenshot of the actual vim command. So let's leave this virtual. Okay. So here, I'll take a. There you go. Let's take a screenshot of this for the report. Actually, here, let's include the path right here too, so we can just show the path, and we can show the command, just like that. Copy, and then we can go to oh yeah, so set domain etc. hosts, and then here, I'll paste this in here. Rename silly putty etc. hosts. Hosts rename. Forgot the Y. Why the SSL? Because it's encoded. So escape shift CZ. So if I set up the netcat listener and I'll run the malware, when I try, you see all this, you see all these like goofy looking characters. That's why. So if I try to do like, who am I? Yeah, it just crashes. See, it just exits. So the TEDTech SSL will encode the connection, so we can run this again, and then boom. That's a good way to. So basically, it encrypts your traffic. So like, it'll make Matsu's life a little bit harder because, you know, the traffic between the attacker and the target is like is encrypted or encoded at least. Yeah. So yeah, that's why it's there. Cool. So what else do we need screenshots of? We need to show where we found. So if we have, we need to show the process tree of it showing the executable it's running in PowerShell. So let's close this. We can minimize this. Because I already have this open, we'll just do this. Cool. Wait, where's the gun zip? Oh yeah, there it is right there. So we did gun zip and front base 64, and then in here you can see the bonus 2. Are you planning on taking the exam? No. It's like $300. Fuck no. I already have the certification. I'm good. I don't have the. I mean, I have the certification from the course, but not the PMGAT or something. All right, bet. So yeah, we're going to need to put all this into the report soon. So okay, yeah. This is connect using SSL connection encoded / encrypted. Okay. We haven't done any advanced stuff yet. I don't think we really need to, but I mean we can. Just kind of poke around, see what it looks like, and then we'll have to do this. Is this going to be saved as an upload? Yes. The video. Yeah. This the stream. Yeah. I almost never take down the streams. So yeah, you can. We should probably get that URL in that streams. Here, let's see if it's in there. So vim floss.log /bonus. What was the name of the URL? Wasn't it like bonus? Yeah, bonus 2 /bonus 2. Interesting. So I don't see. Oh yeah, because the URL is in the PowerShell payload and it's all encoded and everything. So that's why we don't see it. So then the download of that PS1. This is the other file. Oh, so yeah, I guess yeah, technically it is packed. That's interesting. Oh, so you can set up a bind or a reverse shell. So they're using a reverse shell, it looks like. With the bonus. That looks cool. We should take a screenshot of this right here. Cool. So we can see the actual, domain and port that they're using. And then I'll show the actual title, Power Fun, by Ben Turner and Dave Hardy. So we can save that screenshot as well. So we did the normal execution, Wireshark, your host, continue using SSL, and then analyzing the PowerShell payload. Ibrahim, what is up? So we can rename this to Silly Putty, and then this is the actual PWSH payload. So that's the PowerShell payload. And then I think that's really it when it comes to the actual malware. If we want, we can do I mean, there might be more to it. Like there might be a file operation somewhere. We can quickly check. I don't entirely mind too much. Actually, let's get a screenshot of this this tree. Actually, here, hold on. Let's scroll back to the front so people can see the PowerShell execution. All right, and there you go. So we can, I'll just highlight a few things. Obviously, the PowerShell.exe, both of these files being executed, and the TCP connections And then you can also see the port 8443 in here as well. So those are all things worth screenshotting in here. Procmon process tree. And then we'll just rename the file. Whoops. Silly Putty Procmon process tree. You got any videos on your current OS customization? Kind of. I have my dot files here. Does this malware bypass virus scanners? No, not anymore. It used to. But the IOCs are out. See, look, you can see it's very much a recognized malware at this point. But when it first came out, no. But if you go to my repositories, my dot files, here you go. I'll put these in the chat. But yeah, I don't really have any videos of me customizing this current one. The closest thing you'll get is the one from the Arch experience when I used to use Arch. I don't use Arch anymore. I'm on Linux Mint, using i3. Cool. So is there anything else, or should we just get to the report? There wasn't really much else that was worth noting here. We can go ahead and get rid of this, select this. So we'll apply that. Take your time. And then what we can do is I'll just quickly see the file operations and see if there's anything that's worth looking at, like if they created any files. But I honestly don't think there's going to be anything like crazy in here. Of course, the PowerShell.exe stuff. I just want to see if it created like a file that's not like any of this stuff. Desktop, Windows. Because I didn't really see any paths in the strings either. Vim floss.log. Like I would do like C:. Yeah, there isn't much. So what's wrong with the voice? What, my voice? So the PowerShell payload actually deployed with Putty. Yeah. So it well, the actual Putty executable. Well, no, this is a Trojan. Like they packed the executable there. Actually, you know what? They probably did. Or something similar to. If you guys saw my Trojan video, hold on. Where's my Trojan video? Yeah. Here you go. If you guys want to learn about developing Trojans with shellcode, this is a good video to watch. We go through the process of developing Trojans with shellcode. This isn't too far off of what they could have done. But this uses shellcode. They just have the actual, just like, actually, yeah, no, I think they probably did a process like this and then generated a PowerShell shellcode command to execute the, the payload that guy made on GitHub. Yeah, this PowerShell right here. Okay. Unless you guys want to go through the advanced stuff, or are you guys good? Here, why not? We'll just pull up like Cutter. Okay. There's no way I imagine Linux Mint would look so sick and so bleeding good. I got some sick customization. Thank you. Here, I'll show you. Let me show you this real quick before we keep going into that rabbit hole. Create a playlist. Malware, Linux. There you go. So this is when I first. There's a video missing on this list. There's a third time. This isn't right. Hold on. I promise you guys, I'm missing a video on me customizing Parrot. But this is the first time I customized Parrot OS, and it looked pretty decent. But I didn't really get to i3 at this time. But I've customized it like 3 times. There's a video that's just, yeah, right here. See, I customized Parrot OS another time. I love Parrot. Parrot's one of my favorite operating systems. But I'm enjoying Linux Mint a lot too. I've used a lot of different Linux distros, if you guys couldn't tell. Real quick, let's go ahead and make the copy of this file. Make a copy. So this will be oh, so by the way, real quick, I'll show you guys this. Silly Putty malware analysis report. Cool. So this is what we'll be writing the report on. But first, what do I want to show you guys? Hold on, you maybe want me to show you guys something. Oh yeah, I remember now. So where you guys can find the write-up. So if you guys go on customers.cs.com, there's a library section, and then give it a second to load. Technical issue. Oh, refresh your browser. It was probably because I have JavaScript. My fault. My fault. Oh yeah, I might have to disable this too. All right, there you go. So yeah, Windows reports. This is where the file is going to be. Yeah. So this when I finish this report, you guys can find it here. It'll be linked in the description. Oh, another thing I should probably show you guys too is the malware DNA repository. So this repository is where you're going to find a lot of my scripts and stuff for both malware development and malware analysis. So all my malware videos now have a repository for them. So like the Trojans with shellcode, all the assets for the video are right here. So if you guys want to go follow along and make some Trojans with the video, you guys can. It's linked in the description of all the videos, but it's also here if you guys want to utilize this as well. So that's just, I'm just letting you guys know that's out there. And again, malware analysis videos, this video will be on this playlist. And then the reports, right? It just takes you to the website I literally just showed you. So yeah, it will be Windows reports once this report is finished. Cool. Let's go ahead and do some very, very brief and quick, analysis, and then we can call it a day. Here, so where's the main file? Main. Oh god. Actually, let's we might have to get some better information on here because I don't know what language is using. Actually, well, it's a Trojan, right? It's just packed another nice repo. Oh yeah, for sure. Actually, here, let me put the link in the chat for you guys. My fault, guys. That'll probably just be a little convenient, so you guys have to traverse the internet to find it. There you go. But yeah, it's a good repo. So all of my malware analysis and development videos have assets, and all of like the Hack5 videos, they have all the payloads are in here. So all the things we've done, like Ducky Hook is the most recent payload I made. So yeah, all of it is in this repository, which should be helpful for you guys. Anyway, can I not see the main function? Main. Did I not do this right? Oh, my fault. All right. Well, I don't really care. I should care. I should care, guys. And why don't I see the main? Oh, entry. What is it making a call to? Okay. You know what? I don't feel I can't speak English. Interested enough to go through this. When did you get hit? I don't know what you mean when I got hit. What's up? Remember me? Partially. I recognize the username. I downloaded a shitload of my YouTube videos. Nice. Can you write assembly? I can read it. Uh, I wouldn't just go out of my way to write it, but I can read it. I can read it. Um, I think honestly, this is enough analysis. I think actually, hold on. I want to see something real quick. Um, I'm curious if this is the same tactic that I use for my uh malware analysis or I can't speak English. My method of making Trojans. Uh, file. Where's the desktop? Putty.exe. Okay. Um. So let's go to the entry point. Push AD. Some other stuff. Okay, so no, it doesn't do a jump. Stuff over, stuff over. I'm just going to where it creates the what short key, what hotkey is this? I forgot. I don't remember. Uh well, maybe not from my new username, but it's infinity. Oh, no. I remember use Tyler one time as a username. Um but yes, I do remember you now. Yes, that's awesome. I'm just trying to figure out where it's using the this probably looks really small for you guys, so my fault. Uh font. Can I make it like 12? All right, that's all you guys need to see. Whoa, what happened? I just made the font bigger. Oh, I have to save it. My fault, y'all. 12. There you go. I should probably learn assembly. It makes you appreciate C programming. How did I pick it up? How did I pick up assembly or C? I just picked it up because I needed to learn it. I learned C++ first though. Um, this is probably a really shitty way of following through with the whole. Oh! I'm fucking stupid. Um, fuck, I missed it. Yeah, if you guys couldn't tell, I'm not uh like a certified professional at this shit. Okay. Um, here I need to remember the what's the short keys for this? What's the step over? Honestly, we'll figure it out. Let's try F8. Okay, I'm either stepping into or stepping over. I think I'm stepping over. Okay. Um, so I'm going to make a breakpoint right here. Okay, nothing. Okay. Breakpoint here. Okay, there it is. That's the call. This is the call right here. Um, so let's remove this breakpoint and rerun it. So run, hit this breakpoint. We'll ignore this breakpoint. We don't need it anymore. And then run. So this is the call right here. Where's this going? So push EDB. I need to learn how to use this debugger again because you can pull out the shellcode and it's really cool. And I forgot how to do it. What OS do you have now? I remember you customized Prayer like 3 or 4 times. I did. I'm on Linux Mint. That's the OS I'm on right now. It does not look like it. I know this. Well, yeah, this is what my desktop looks like. It looks yeah, nothing like Linux Mint, but it is Linux Mint. I'm using i3. So we're pushing some stuff up. I want to see. Okay, so now that we're in here, we'll set a breakpoint right here. Okay. Oh, whoa. One of these calls? Okay. So we'll breakpoint like up here, and let's restart. Okay. So if I'll do full screen just so it's a little bit easier for you guys to see. So let's run it. You can run it again. Oh, whoops. So run it again. We hit this breakpoint. Run it again. We hit this breakpoint. Then step over. Okay. It looks like it's this call right here. What's this doing? So this is a push. Is it cinnamon or mate? It's cinnamon. But again, like I'm using i3, so it honestly doesn't matter. It really doesn't. You guys look here. Yeah. So this is what Linux Mint 21 Windows i3. Some of the themes and icons I'm using. Yeah. Yeah, that should give you guys a good idea, hopefully. What I'm trying to figure out though is this malware, right? It did here. Let's make a breakpoint right there. We'll restart. So we jump through. So this right here is where we what do you call it? Execute the PowerShell. Want me to set you an interview with Chris Titus Tech? I don't really have much to ask him. He's a cool guy though. Okay, let's step over. Okay, so this right here, it looks like this. Is that what called the PowerShell? Create dialog parameter. All right, I'm lost. Hold on. Restart. Run. So push AD, push. We hit this call. We hit this call. So yeah, right here, we step over. Yeah, so this call right here is what creates the PowerShell execution. Okay, so restart, run. We can get rid of this. Run. Get rid of this. Run. Okay, and that's what does the PowerShell execution. This is so weird, dude. Restart. Run through here. Okay, so we're going to set a breakpoint at this right here, so we can just run it. Okay. Oh, did it already hit it? Did I miss it? Did I make a mistake, guys? When I hit run, it'll take us here. Okay. Step over. All right, I see a call right here. Let's hit this call. Okay, so it happens in this call, I think, or this call. Find resource. Okay, this looks like shell code potentially. I don't know. Guys, I'm shooting in the dark. I'm completely honest with you guys. Uh, interesting. Uh, I'm just getting to check for PE section. Very valid point. I'm just getting to Linux and all that. When you said i3, I thought you were talking about your CPU. Oh, no. What is your opinion? The most dangerous malware right now for like hacking malware? Maybe like the info stealers right now, like async rat and ice D. I want to say, isn't that what it's called? I think async rat is crazy though. Async rat is right now one of the more popular uh rats that are getting out there. I would love to analyze a live sample of this somewhere. Um, oh, red line dealer. Um, yeah, this is there's so much information about red line dealer right now. Yeah, this is a cool report. It looks like about the malware. Yeah, I'm down to analyze something like this sometime. Um, yeah. Uh, cool. Honestly, I don't know how much more I'm gonna pull through the uh code here. I'll do a little bit longer just to kind of see if we can find. Uh, yeah, let's run it. All right, restart. Run it. Hit that. Okay, so right after there, so the APEC is when it actually gets. Hey, what? Slow down. It just looks like it executed. Uh, honestly, 888 rat is cross-platform. It's pretty cool too. I haven't heard about 888 rat. Uh, 888 rat. Android. Rat. Download. I'm not trying to download it right now. Let me see. Download for free. Wow. Sure, I'll download the malware. Oh, dang. That's a lot of stuff for the Windows features. Jesus Christ. How do you download this? Okay. I'll analyze it some other time. Just download it, eh? Cool. In the meantime, what is this doing? Why do I have this open? Oh, the power fund. Got you. All right, cool. So yeah, let's actually get to the report because that's the more important stuff. What about Quasar Rat? Uh, check Venom Rat. Also, that's the best ammo. Tech had me that me Vietnam worked on was async. Oh, was it really async rat? Huh. What about Quasar Rat? This is all question. Download file. Oh my god. File is ready. Wait for download. They have it on Google Drive. Oh, non-file. I'll probably just hit the non-file. Okay. I'll let that do its thing. Anyway. Oh, what was the password? It was www.unethicalhacker.in. Thank you for that. I'm not going to remember that, so I'm gonna just put them on those little note things. Here, paste. All right, we'll let that download. I don't really care anymore. Yeah, let's actually get back to this. Um, See, I don't know if I have enough time to finish the report, so we'll start the report. Only rat is a cool rat. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Silly Putty. Let's zoom in a little bit. Why is it so, there you go. All right, so Silly Putty. Let's name the rat. And let's buy ya boy, Cosmo. 2023 05. Oops. 05. And Nanocore rat. I don't know too much about Nanocore. The executive summary. Putty.exe. Dang, I hate this. So people actually like write reports. I don't know how much how interesting this is. I'll leave all those tools. Technical summary. We'll have to make some flowcharts and stuff. Should I save this for a different stream? Because I'm gonna have to leave soon. Yeah, I'll save the actual report writing for a different stream. So until then, yeah, I don't know. We'll kind of just my Doom malware worm is old as hell. Yeah, my Doom is old. Is Nanocore actually old? I'm not too familiar with it. Did the download finish? No, it's still going. Nice. Okay. Nano. Let's look at this. Oh, any.run. Let's go. So there's your dropper, some IOCs. Huh. And of course, sounds interesting. I might eventually poke around at it. I want to hit some of the new stuff because they got loot. Check Venom Rat without veil. You are Devo never come across its advanced HVNC feature before. Okay. You guys are telling me all the rats. Venom Rat. That's the Venom software matching tool. Dang, $200? Oh, whoops. Yeah, I forgot. You know what this looks like a time for? Planet Cosmo. Chasm. Workspaces. Let's make a random Firefox instance. If I turn my VPN on, the stream will get weird, so we're just going to use Chasm. Where's the copy link address? Where's the clipboard? Okay. Bro, having a browser in the browser? Yeah, you guys, okay. If you guys are on like the Discord, just like send me the names or put it in the comments, either one, I don't really care, of some of the rats you want me to check out, and I will check them out. Dang, that's a cool logo, dude. Hidden desktop, hidden browsers, hidden Chrome, hidden bunch of stuff. Remote HVNC. So this is what you're talking about. What is that exactly? When displayed advanced HVNC. What is HVNC cyber? What is that? Anatomy of an HVNC attack. Uh, hidden virtual network computing. What? It means for malware to control a machine without the victim's knowledge. To illustrate. Oh, wait a second. So is it like controlled over network commands? Because that's virtually what OnlyRat does. I didn't know this was an actual term. That's really interesting, dude. Let's go back. What the fuck? Huh. By the way, the stream isn't laggy. It's just I'm using a remote browser, so it's going to be really slow. Uh, you can use their computer in live time while they use it too, and they'll have no clue. Wow, dude. I am going to look at this, dude. I'm not buying it for $200, but I'll find a sample online. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I'll check that out, dude. Yeah, for sure. Uh, actually, I mean, I can get started with writing the report. I don't have to finish it right now. Is this done yet? Like, okay, it finished. All right, I'll check this 88 rat later. But Venom Rat, dude, I'm definitely gonna actually check that out. Here, I don't know. I'll add it to like I don't know. I'll remember. I've got a cracked version, but that's probably a rat too. It probably is. That's funny. Um, back to the malware analysis stuff. We pretty much hit everything. If we really want to, we can take a deeper dive into it. I think it would be nice to see how. Oh yeah, actually, I would like to see how it's calling it in the debugger. So I'm going to do that. Um, yeah, I think it would be really cool if we can see it. Let's go to appearance font. Let's make some of these other fonts bigger for you guys. So 12, 12, and 12. That should be good. Save. Okay. So if we restart this, run, right, we hit the entry point, run again. Hey. Run again. We hit this call. Run again. We hit this. Run again. We hit this push. I think I can get rid of that push. Yeah. Run again. We hit this call. Run. We hit this 8BEC. Okay. Yeah. So right here is where all the interesting stuff happens. So I'm going to unmark this ABC. We're going to run it until we hit this. And then heading out, catch you later. All cool, all cool. Cracked version of a rat. Yeah, I'm dead. That's funny. It's on my school laptop. Oh my god. I don't know if that's like better. I'm not gonna lie. I really don't. All right, so that ran the malware. Okay. Let's restart. That's not what I meant to do. Run it a few times until we hit that 57. Okay. So we're going to step down, and if we're going to hit this call, and if we step past that call, nothing happens. We step past this call, nothing happens. Okay. We're just going to keep going until a PowerShell window opens. I see this call down here. I'm going to assume this call might be important. Let's see. Step over. Did the PowerShell already execute? Did you guys see it execute? What? Okay, hold on. Restart. Never use your real computer for malware analysis. You should use a VM. Yeah, for the most part. If it's just static analysis, you'll be fine though. But actually, let me take that back because someone's going to be stupid and like execute it. To be safe, yeah, always do it in a VM. Um, I will admit I do tend to do some static analysis on my host machine. That's it. Just look at the strings and shit. You know, that's it. Nothing. Even still, to be safe, you should never do that. But, I mean, my host machine is a Linux machine, so half of this malware is not even targeted towards me anyway. But okay, let's keep going. Hit the entry point. Hit this. Hit this. Hit this. Hit this 57. Okay. So when we run past this, we're going to hit this 8 back. Run. We're going to hit this. Okay. So right after that 8 back is when that malware starts executing. So let's go back right here. And then we step over. Where's the function call that that executes it? Like, I'm just gonna kind of run through here and see if we can like, unless if I missed it, because I have missed it before. You know, oh guys, you know what? It's a good idea. Netcat. Let's just run the listener, so we'll know when we hit it. Here, let's do this because okay, we'll just leave that right here. So run it, hit the entry point, run it till we hit that 57, the 8 back. So we'll just step over until we hit that listener. If I learned the fundamentals of assembly and C++, that'd be the start. Dude, honestly, yeah. But on top of that, like, if you want to learn assembly better, just learn like C or C++, decompile it, and then just compare and contrast. That's really it. Or sorry, not decompile, but disassemble it. And just compare and contrast. And just see what your C code or C++ code looks like in assembly. And that's all you really need to do. Just being able to practice reading it is more important than being able to practice writing it, especially for analysis. Obviously, that's my opinion, but that would be my suggestion. So, all right, let's see when we hit this call, nothing happens. When we hit this call, nothing happens. I'm just going to kind of keep going through here until, all right, I see a call over here. Let's see what happens. Let's pick a breakpoint right there. Nothing. Okay, so we can get rid of this breakpoint, I guess. Keep stepping over. See a call here. Oh, here it is. Is that the call? Okay, so we're gonna hit this call. Get rid of that. Let's step into here just really quick and see if there's anything interesting. When I first started learning about cybersecurity, I did all the analysis on my own machine. Then out of nowhere, my CD-ROM opened disk, and I knew I messed up. Yeah. When I first did development, I did it on my my host machine, and I made a this like so yeah, this executed. Sorry, but yeah, I made a malware that persisted. It was like an adware, and it persisted in the startup. So every time you started the computer, it would throw like crap ton of pop-ups on your machine and all that. And then what ended up happening was, like, every time I turned the computer on, it would crash because of all the pop-ups that would just spawn every time you turned it on. So I couldn't use my computer anymore. So I had to boot into a Linux image and then go into the file system and delete the file. What's better, either Pro or this tool that you're using? This isn't so either Pro is it's like a disassembler, decompiler type of tool. This is a debugger. This is x64. If you guys want to know what tools I use for malware analysis or development, here I'll show you. Actually, this is the perfect time to use this repo, right? Here, if we go to my the company organization, malware.dna. So yeah, if you go on malware development videos, you'll see I have a tools for malware development video right here. So if you guys want to know some good tools to use, that's a good video. But on top of that, the videos, tools for malware development, and then boom, there's all of my tools, Visual Studio Code extensions, editors, whatever. So it's all in that malware DNA repository I was talking about earlier. Cool. So we found the function that's running it. So restart it, run. Let's rerun the network scanner. Cool. And we'll just keep running it a few times. Oh yeah. This I didn't mean to run it like that. So call user create dialog. So that looks like that's the function that's running it. We'll rerun the program, run it, go through a few times, and then when we hit that function, oh crap. Here, let's put like a step right in front of it, a breakpoint right in front of it, because I keep hitting the execution. But dude, why is it getting called so early? I feel like, yeah, it's getting called too early. I don't like that. It's probably because I'm going too fast. You see that? You guys saw that? It just ran. What the hell? The thing is, I really dislike C++ and C. I'd rather code in Python or Ruby. Golang isn't too bad. However, Python is really bad for malware. It is. So I'm confused on what language to go for. Go for NIM. What are you trying to do? Malware development? Because NIM has become one of my personal favorite languages. NIM.org. This is an awesome language. It's very Pythonic. It has a Python like syntax. It looks like Python. It compiles to exe, and you can implement different like C++ and C libraries into the malware. There's actually offensive NIM repository where it's literally just NIM but for malware. So you can read through it, see some of the cool stuff that people have done with it. Compress base64, shellcode injection, suspended processes, more shellcode execution, executing shellcode. Yeah, there's a lot of shellcode. Keylogger, bunch of other stuff. It's a pretty cool language, and it's very similar to Python in the syntax, but it is a compilable language. So I would suggest you check out NIM if you're curious. But again, it kind of depends on like what you're trying to do, here, I can close down some of this. Venom, I definitely intend on checking out sometime soon. Close. Yeah, I don't know why. Is the malware like, is it just me, or you guys see that too, right? Like the malware like is pre-executing, unless if I missed a call. All right. Yeah, right there. Here, let's go back. Huh. What? Yeah, because it doesn't really get executed until like here. At least from what I've seen. And then we have some other stuff. I'm curious. If I take out something like HXD, I'm just curious if we pull this into here. There's the show code at the bottom. Not that like we'll be able to tell. Actually, here, Control F, PowerShell. There you go. So yeah, here's the PowerShell command right there, and then there's the base64 string. Oh, I think. Oh, yeah, guys, I do think it was. Whoops. Find PowerShell. Why can't you find PowerShell? You just saw it. Okay, here it is. So it looks like, yeah, here's the PowerShell .exe, right? So we'll select all that from there to there, and there to there. So yeah, you can see the blank space. So I do think they used a concave or something. Maybe it has some sort of sleep on it. Maybe. That's pretty cool. Actually, I've heard of NIM. I've been trying out some JavaScript malware and Node.js, then compiling it to an exe. That's interesting. It wasn't too bad, just heavy binaries. EM Hex has a dark mode. Oh, I am Hex. I am. I can't speak. I'm gonna check that out. I should play around with some new tools. So in advanced dynamic analysis, we didn't really do much with this NA. Actually, well, yeah, I guess we did. In HXD, we looked at this. So where's the rename? Silly Putty, and then what is this? HXD. And if we go back here, yeah, you can see the like the blankness at the end. So it looks like they just packed it in there. There you go. Oh, whoops. Actually, I should highlight it. So putty.exe. Yeah. And then, of course, right there. Yeah, let's do that like right there. We play with advanced dynamic, but we didn't really get too far with any of it. Here, silly putty HXD2. So yeah, it just kind of shows that it's being packed into there. MX says, Dharma, how many notes do you have in your vault? A lot. Too many, probably. I think you could check if I do like notebook WC or list grep to WC. I don't know which one's which. I'm assuming it's like 458 or 480. Here I can do like let's keep E. If I go on notebook properties, it'll show you how many items. 1,776 items. Oh, okay, that's fine. But I'm sure some of those are images and stuff. Hopefully that's a good scale. I honestly have no idea. Cool. I don't know how much more advanced dynamic I want to do on this binary. I'm not gonna lie. I have 428, and I've been using it for just over 1 month. Nice. Yeah, it's an awesome tool. It really is. All right, right, what do you guys think? Do I keep going with the advanced dynamic? Because I don't want to. I know I should. I just don't want to. Right. Let me make that other thing. Actually, I don't like how big that is. So too big. Do you have any good resources or notes for Bash and PowerShell scripting? For PowerShell, check out Jacoby's PowerShell for Hackers. He has a cool repository. PowerShell Hackers. Yeah, I'm Jacoby PowerShell for Hackers. It's a pretty decent one. And then for Bash scripting, honestly, just like YouTube it, bro. Just like YouTube it and learn it. There's plenty of good tutorials. I don't know if anything in specific, but yeah, I don't know. You only wish it was fast. I feel that. I mean the plugins are, but the actual application, no. Yeah. I mean, we can only have. I'd say it's worth it though. I think it's one of those applications that are kind of worth it in the end. At least in my perspective. You might be right about the clock. Whoever said the clock, they might be right. I'm gonna just like give it like a little break in between each one. Dang, see that? So there is something that happened in between that jump. Here, restart. I have to head to dinner soon, so I'm going to be kind of speed running this section. So jump, jump, jump here. So this call to dialog param A. Okay, so yeah, right after this is when it executes. So step over, step over, step over. See, I have a breakpoint right there. It should be hitting that breakpoint. But it doesn't. There. Cool. Yeah, we're just going to manually be stepping through this. Okay, so yeah, this call right here. So that's where it starts doing some of this other stuff. Yeah, but I can't keep cycling through this. I don't know. Never seen the application before. What's it called? The note-taking one? Obsidian. Here, Obsidian.md. That's the it's an awesome note taking app. It's one of my favorites. Probably my all-time favorite. Okay. Honestly, I don't know how much here, let's cheat a little bit. Let's go and Putty packed malware analysis. I want to see if there's anything interesting worth as impact malware. Specifically Putty. Trojan versions of Putty, yeah. This was a real malware. Okay, this is the worst freaking malware report I've ever seen on my life. Y'all just took a screenshot of motherfucking virus total and slapped it on the internet. Olive one to the Putty. Threat hunting, blah blah blah. Okay, that's interesting. So yeah, they're pulling some interesting stuff in here. Um, but here's the thing. It's literally if I had to guess, this is literally just shell code that was embedded into this little code cave right here, and it's set to execute. That's my most reasonable guess. Um, in fact, they probably could have just like hit the entry point, right? Whoa, refresh, hit the entry point. Where's the entry point? Yeah, this is the entry point. Okay. And then probably hit a jump to and execute the malware. You know what I mean? Like it's probably just like some shellcode in there. I would love to see if there's like a um silly putty malware right up. Because I'm going to write mine up in a little bit. But I just want to see if anyone hit the advanced. Nope. Okay, so it looks like this person didn't. That's an interesting write up. Not bad, not bad. I'm just looking. Has anyone done any advanced stuff? No. Okay, so maybe I might not include it. I might include just that screenshot that I have. Yeah, the TCP view. This is a good one, dude. Yeah, so it's talking about that pack thing. But yeah, no one really deemed it worthy because it's not like it's a custom uh malware. You know what I mean? So Monatic, yo, what is up, boy? What is up? Damn, my voice is dying, bro. I use Gitbooks for note taking. Since everything is in Markdown and sorting Git, continuing on Obsidian isn't too bad of an idea, actually. Yeah, yeah, go for it. I love Obsidian. Obsidian is goated. Um, it's always good to see Monatic in here. All right, so that's it. That's all the notes. That's all. Oh, is this the old one? Where's my silly putty malware analysis report? There you go. Change word, silly putty malware analysis report. Okay, so this is all the notes. Now we actually have to make the report. Do the actual report. So that's what we'll do. Probably later. I have to go because it's I gotta get food and shit. But uh, yeah. I mean, this won't be too bad too shabby. We will have to write Yara rules for it, which should be fun. I haven't really written Yara rules for an actual sample yet, but I think we have enough information to go off of now. Um, I'm just wondering, is there any other samples? Yes, close. Is there any other screenshots I need to get of the sample? Um, we got stuff on this. Let me get the TCP view stuff. I think that could be helpful. I already got everything I need to get from Procmon. So TCP view, just run it real quick and execute the malware just so we can see the, oh, is there a dark? Oh, no way, there's a dark theme. Awesome. Okay. So yeah, we'll just run it and then just hope to see, oh, there was, oh, I missed it. You guys saw that? All right. I'm going to have to time this right. All right. Get out of my way. Oh, yes, I got it. All right, cool, cool. There you go. So yeah, there's the it's already highlighted in green, so I'm not gonna highlight it. But yeah, just boom. You gotta love my annotations. Uh, no, not me joining right at the end of the stream. Yeah, literally. I do have to. I have to go. I'm gonna stream later though. I'll get back up on later. Um, okay, yeah. So this should be good. This should give us the good general TCP view. Let's go to um, advanced, or where's the dynamic analysis? That's a Pokemon process tree. Here, yeah, let's just go in here. TCP view, and we'll add the whoa. Control V, Control Shift V. Hey, there you go. So we can just rename, and then we'll do silly putty TCP view. Okay. So I think we have everything we need. Do we have the Vim? Yeah. Okay. Cool. We have that. Yeah, we have everything we need to write a report. Let me just cut down some of the domains and ports and stuff. So we had that. If I go to general, yeah. Let's copy this. Let's go down to the end. Paste that. Yeah. So this domain at port 443. Wait. We need to get some information for the other malware that was in there. Research CD into here. SHA-256 some of the download.ps1. Is that not right? Oh, I did 246. My fault. Yeah, my fault. I invented my own hash algorithm. Yo, Skylar, you got any Venom samples? I hope he does. Send them my way. Actually, oh, guys. Here, look at this. Look at this. So if you go on our Discord server, right here is a samples channel, so you guys can put malware samples in here. Just follow the little malware etiquette, the extra extension, zip it with infected, defend URLs, that type of thing. But I've already put a few things in here, but you guys can put some samples in here if you guys want to, or take other people's samples that they throw in here as well. So this is a good kind of area to play with. So yeah, definitely check that out on the server. This is something I just need to get down real quick because we do have yeah, so let me paste that right here. Then so V up to Y and then escape paste. Okay, so this is going to be the I'll just call this download.ps1. All right, so this here, let's see, cut and then paste. I don't know if PowerShell scripts have an architecture. I don't think they do. I think it's just the system. Then category language is PowerShell. Category, it's a reverse shell. So yeah, obviously this is just my notes, by the way. This isn't the report. This is the report that we will write later. I'll probably make a separate stream for the actual writing of this report. I feel like that could be fun. Going through some of the stuff that we didn't hear. And then is there anything else? Internet connection is true. This is it needs an internet connection, yeah, because it's a reverse shell, so yeah, true. And then is there anything else that I should kind of note? We'll write the YAR rules later. Network-based indicators is that domain, the PowerShell script. Actually, no, yeah. This would be the host-based PowerShell. I'm just trying to take basic notes. It came across on Telegram. Someone's correcting this correct version of it. I'll put samples on the server. Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you. You are the goat. We didn't really do any debugged a little bit, nothing worse. Noting. Just that with this, we just can assume that the putty.exe file is packed with a malicious shell code to execute the PowerShell payload. All right, cool. Is there anything else worth noting before I head out and then write the report later? I think we got all the basic notes. I think we can, stop here and then, go back to the, actually, I don't need this Wireshark capture. Is there anything in the Wireshark capture I need to know about? No, we already took screenshots of it. So, but without saving, close this. We don't need inetsim anymore. We have, I'm gonna turn this machine off, and then with this, we'll come back to this later. So I'll close it. Let's just go back to before we detonated the malware. All right, and then it's shut down. Cool. I can close that. Yeah, so we will I'll get back on later, maybe today or tomorrow or something. Actually, just check out the Discord and you'll get notified, or just hit that little notification bell wherever it is, and we'll put this report together. I'm actually building a whole C2 based on Discord. I'm going to try to figure out the HVNC feature because it uses, I only come across RDP type stuff. Speaking of that, first of all, when you finish it, show it to me. I would love to check it out. I think that's an awesome project. Second of all, we have a Discord for malware course, so you guys can actually learn how to make. I'll just read this syllabus, right? Host command and control servers through Discord for traffic outside network, building a botnet, remote access Trojans, data, blah blah blah. It's a really cool course. It's literally $5, so it's not that much, and I would say it's well worth it. So yeah, definitely check that out if you guys are curious. I'll throw that at the cool. Yeah, that's really it. I'm gonna head out and then I'll put this report thing together. So yeah, appreciate y'all. I'll catch you guys soon, and yeah, happy hacking.